Hi, Mike Hinley here again with Fine Airport Parking. And in this video, I'd like to explain a little more about our scratch removal service. Basically, beginning in the early 1990s, auto manufacturers began applying what we call base coat, clear coat paint systems to their vehicles. Now, what this means is that there's a thin coat of colored paint, your base coat, and in this case it's black, underneath multiple layers of clear paint. This is your base coat, clear coat paint system. Now, while base coat, clear coat paint systems produce unparalleled gloss and an appearance of depth that was previously unattainable, it's also very soft and susceptible to scratching. Now, over time, improper wash techniques using a poorly maintained automatic car wash, day-to-day driving, and exposure to the elements will introduce light and heavy scratches to your vehicle's clear coat. When these scratches accumulate, your once shiny car shines no more. Now, Fine Auto Detailing's scratch removal service is designed to reduce the visibility of your heavy scratches, remove most light scratches, level out your clear coat, and as a result, generate an extreme shine. Now, in order to properly remove scratches from your vehicle's paint system, we use only the highest quality equipment, chemicals, and techniques to make certain your vehicle looks its best. Now, unlike most car washes and detail operations in the area, we don't use high-speed buffers to polish your paint system. We know that this tool is way too aggressive, and in the hands of the wrong technician, it can seriously damage your paint system. That's why here at Fine Auto Detailing, we know exactly where this tool belongs. Here at Fine Auto Detailing, we use dual-headed random orbitals. This tool was designed to polish paint. It mimics the motion of hand polishing. It spins in one direction, orbits in the other. What this means is reduce friction, so reduce heat buildup. Bottom line, no swirl marks, no burns on your paint system. Now, we have so much confidence in our scratch removal process that we have no problem taking sandpaper to a perfectly good paint job. Take a look at this demonstration. Now, one of our trained technicians is going to remove the scratches on the left side of the hood. He's putting a piece of tape down the middle, so at the end, you're really going to be able to tell the difference between a polished paint system and a scratch paint system. Now, to be used in combination with our orbitals, we use an advanced pad system. This pad system allows us to control the aggressiveness of our polishing. The choice of pad and the chemical that we use is determined by the severity of the scratches on your paint. You know, a lot of operations simply apply chemicals to your paint that will hide or conceal scratches, but only temporarily. Here at Fine Auto Detailing, we don't conceal or hide scratches. We actually remove them. Wow, what an extreme difference between the polished side and the scratch side. Our technicians truly know what they are doing. So, if you have scratches on your vehicle's paint system, come on down and see us. We'll take good care of you. Again, I'm Mike Hinley. This is Fine Scratch Removal. Thanks for watching.